360 is just a non-stop, all the way around spin on the wave. Now, in order for you to go all the way around and not flush off the wave, you need to do one of two things. One, you need to be on a fairly big wave that's fast, in which your boat is planing up so high that it's so loose that the potential energy of the wave is just enough that it's easy to stay on. Or number two, you're going to have enough technique with the grind to be able to get all the way around without digging yourself off the wave. Now, believe it or not, it's easier to do a 360 on some of these big waves that you're seeing here than it is to do it on a really little one. So I highly recommend that you try to practice a 360 on either a wave that's breaking a lot or the biggest wave that you can find on the river. Okay, let's learn how to do it. Like the cartwheel, the key to the 360 are number one, leading with your body. Number two, making sure that each stroke you take is pushing you in the direction you want to go. What direction is that? Upstream. Any strokes that are pushing downstream will push you off the wave. And then number three is to use the technique you just learned with grinding to make sure that during the entire spin your boat is planing and at no point are you digging any edges in the water. So here we go. We're going to start in a front surf. Carve around on the wave until you get all the way to the top. Get the boat to about 45 degrees, just like you would from spinning from front to back. Now you're going to reach all the way back and give your best and hardest back sweep. Boom! That'll get your boat spinning into a back surf really quickly. Immediately put your blade all the way at the bow, but wait all the way until you're at 45 degrees again. And now, boom, quick, hard front sweep to finish the spin. So essentially you're just linking spin front to back and spin back to front into one move. In order for this to work, it needs to go in one quick motion because you don't have any strokes in between to hold you on the wave. Some common mistakes that you're going to find yourself doing in the beginning with the full 360 is number one, just pulling yourself off the wave by applying pressure downstream on your strokes. Remember that each stroke should push you upriver, not pull you downriver. So remember to reach all the way back to the stern when you do the sweep that pushes your boat from a front surf to a back surf. That way you're pushing the stern upriver. If you just reach by your hip and push back, you're literally dragging yourself off the wave.